paper. I wrote a secret message for you. Did you write a secret message for me? I couldn't see any message. Unicorn, did you use invisible ink? What is invisible ink? You don't know about invisible ink? No problem, Unicorn. I will tell you about invisible ink. For that, we want paper, brush, and lemon juice. Unicorn, everything is ready. Now let's write the secret message. Let the paper dry. Is it ready yet? Not yet, Unicorny. Is it ready? Yes, Unicorny is ready. We have to take an iron box and iron it. Guys, be careful with the iron box. The secret message is revealed. It's Kids Park. Unicorn, do you know how it happens? No. The lemon juice oxidizes and turns into brown and yellow color, and the secret message is revealed. This process is called oxidation. Wow, this invisible ink is very amazing. Bye friends. See you on another video. Thanks for watching.